In 1998, CL Nonwoven launched China's first single-S spunbond line, opening a new chapter for the country's spunbond nonwoven industry. Single-S nonwoven fabric is widely used in packaging, agriculture, furniture, and the medical field. Over the past 30 years, CL has never stopped innovating. We have made the equipment more stable, more efficient, and capable of producing high-quality fabric. In 2023, we launched a brand new generation of single-S line. Take a 3.2-meter line as an example. With 100% per pp, it can produce up to 13 tons per day. That's a 13% increase over previous models. This means a faster return on investment, low energy consumption, and reduced labor costs. This is why more and more clients choose CL. Let's build your future nonwoven business together. See you next time.